Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where can you send a feedback in the Amazon Prime Video application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. After you have done that and you are in the home page, you should look at the top of your right corner and there you will find your profile. Press on it. Once you have done that, you should once again look at the top of your right corner and there you will find the settings. Press on it. And here you should scroll all the way down and almost as the last option you will find the help and feedback. Press on it, wait a little bit until it loads in, and if you scroll all the way down you can see under the suggestions category the provide feedback option. Press on it and you can also see that your name and email address is already pre-selected, and all you have to do basically is tap on this field here and write in your detailed feedback, and after that all you have to do is just press send feedback down below and your feedback will be sent. So yeah, I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.